Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to use JIBB inside a Webex meeting. So before I get started, I'm going to explain that to use JIBB you need two components. The first of which is a writing surface, which could be a whiteboard like I've got behind me, blank sheet of paper, and even a mini whiteboard or Lapboard. The second component you need is a camera input. So that could be an external USB webcam, it could be your laptop's or computer's built-in webcam, or it could even be your mobile camera. So in this example, I'm going to show you how to capture writing on the whiteboard behind me using this external webcam. We highly recommend using a 4K webcam to get the best possible results. So I'm inside Webex and I've got my JIBB Workspace and I'm going to dive straight into the control panel. My surface is already selected as whiteboard. I've got my webcam input selected, and in the camera drop down is where I can choose between my external camera or my built-in camera. If there's nothing there, you can click update list and it will repopulate. So the next most important step is to turn the camera preview on. This is very important, and you want to use the camera preview to make sure that your camera can see the whole writing surface at all times. Now, I could click start to initiate automatic detection, but if I was interested in only writing on a particular area of the whiteboard, I could use a feature called manual surface selection, which you can use by clicking on that icon. Anyway, I'm going to click start, and now we're going to see how JIBB automatically detects the writing surface. It's a good idea to stay out of the way during this process and wait for JIBB to say start writing. And you can also see that there's a green frame around my whiteboard. So now I'm going to start drawing like that, and as you can see, my writing is being displayed directly inside Webex in my JIBB Workspace. The other really cool thing about JIBB's technology is that if you think of it like an artificial eye, JIBB is looking at the writing surface and capturing the content, and it removes objects. So if I'm walking in front of the whiteboard like this, it knows to ignore me and keep my writing in the same place. It also happens to work from any angle. Your camera doesn't have to be front on. It can be from the side or up close or further away, as long as it can see the whole writing surface while you want to write. Now that I've shown you how to use your webcam to capture writing on your whiteboard, I'm going to quickly show you how to use webcam with your Lapboard or mini whiteboard. So I'm going to click stop. I'm going to go back into my control panel. I'm going to change the surface from whiteboard to mini whiteboard. I'm going to keep the same webcam settings. I'm going to turn the camera preview back on, and this time I'm going to make sure that my Lapboard is sitting in front of the camera like so. I'm going to point my camera down just a little bit more, and now that I've got my surface inside the camera preview again, I can click start. So another really important step of any time you're using JIBB, especially inside Webex, is once you click start and your writing is being displayed, you want to click open together so that the rest of your meeting participants can also see what you're sharing. Another really exciting feature that we've just released inside JIBB is Autosave, which you can turn on by clicking this button in the side control panel. Once you've turned that on, JIBB will automatically start capturing images and on whatever frequency you choose. Now I'm going to keep writing as I'm capturing my writing here on my mini whiteboard. There we go. And as you can see, it's capturing my writing and autosave is on. I can keep doing this for as long as I like, but when I'm ready to stop the session, I just have to click stop. And then I can go to app.jibb.ai, log into my dashboard and find my saved sessions tab where I can review my saved content, export it as a PDF and share however I like. So anyway, that's a brief overview of how you use Webex with JIBB. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to learn more, please go to jibb.ai/help.